Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to convert BTC to USDT on Binance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For that, you need to launch your Binance app, and then you need to tap on the Binance icon in the top left-hand corner. Then you need to select the More Services option, and here in the search bar, you simply need to search for Convert. Now once you search for Convert, you will be able to see the Convert option, so you need to tap on it, and then you will be landed on this conversion page. Over here, you need to tap on this top arrow button, and you simply need to search for Bitcoin and select it. Then in the To section, you just have to simply search for USDT, and you need to select it. Then you enter the amount of BTC that you want to convert into USDT, and then it will show you the equivalent amount. After that, you need to tap on the Preview Conversion option, and then you will be given 10 seconds in order to complete this transaction. Then you just have to tap on the Withdraw or basically Convert option, and this way you will be able to easily convert Bitcoin or BTC to USDT on Binance. So that's basically how you can convert BTC to USDT on Binance. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.